God is my guys. Know that we fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want gone?
Oh my god. This is definitely not my favorite, but one of my favorites. Oh my god, this one is so good. I love it.
And this is the green one.
This is the best one from all.
This
This is the best from all, and the second best is this green one.
Which one do you like the best?
I think I like the white one. Now this next game.
Wow. This is a game.
A certificate set.
A set of games.
Now this is the big game.
Now this is the biggest. Wow. This is basically a soap.
I did it.
It's just your soap mix. Okay. So we will make a separate video and show you all this inside for and everything in detail. So right now we're really tired, so we can't do this. So let's save this for the next video. So guys, Akshat also got this football for his birthday gift. It looks a bit old, as you can see,
Because we forgot to show
you. We're showing you this after a lot of days, and we hope that you enjoyed watching this video.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.